Yo, good morning everybody. Welcome back to a brand new vlog. We just did a car reveal on the LS430, but something has already went wrong. Now I knew this before I purchased the car, but I didn't think that I'd have to replace it this soon. But today we have to replace it. So I figured, you know what? Let's go ahead and make a quick video on this because this is low-key expensive. So prepare to get wrecked today because I'm ready to get wrecked. What do you think, Butters? Okay. Oh, this is the worst part. If you guys have dogs, this is the worst part of the day. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Be good, okay? Bye, Butters. Every time you leave your dog at home, bro, oof, those moments hit. Okay, where did I park my car? So you're probably wondering why I need to get this thing replaced and what is wrong with it. So let me show you guys really quick. Okay, so when I picked the car up, the previous owner mentioned this to me and I was like, all right, I'll get it fixed eventually. So you see this part right here? At first it might just look like some tint was bubbling up, but these are special pane glasses. These are double paned. So the owner explained to me is that one of the panes is cracked. And then when my boy was doing the tinting, he was saying, bro, you should replace this pretty soon because you don't want this to get any worse. So I was like, okay, let me do that. So we still tinted it for the meantime so everything could match. But today we're picking up the new replacement window or the replacement glass, which is this entire piece right here. This whole piece needs to get replaced and retinted. When I tell you guys how much I spent on this piece of glass, you're gonna go crazy. Honestly, when you think of like replacement glass, you're thinking maybe like a few $100 at most, right? Well, since these are double paned, they're a lot more expensive. And from the dealership, this piece of glass after tax and fees and all that stuff, it was like $720 or something. And I tried to hit up the Lexus plugs, but they did not have anything for me. So I was like, bro, that's kind of spicy, like $720, and I gotta pay for it to get reinstalled. I'm not getting it installed at the dealership. I'm going to like a local business where they're gonna hook it up, right? Because at the dealership, labor is $250 an hour. What the hell no. So we're gonna support a small business today. Hopefully if I could get it installed, but bare minimum, we're picking up the glass today. So without any further ado, I need gas. Let's go get gas. Y'all wanna see something crazy? Look at this weather, like what? We're supposed to have a heat wave starting today. 90s, high 90s, 100. Oh my God. I'm staying inside, bro. I don't know about y'all, but that's way too hot to be doing any sort of outside activities. And thank God I have AC, bro, because, oh man, I'm so grateful and so thankful that I have AC. When I was living at my parents' house, we didn't have AC, especially my room too at my parents' house. Like it would be hit by the sun, like directly in the sun. It felt like a sauna in there. So everybody, man, I hope y'all stay cool this week. Drink a lot of water. Try to not die in this sun, bro, because that's way too hot. We're about to pull up to Costco gas right now, aka the trenches. I don't know, sometimes it'll be cool, but most of the time it's a war zone out here. Oh my God, dude, it looks promising today. What the heck? Yo, it's empty. Let's go. It's freaking empty today, guys. Let's freaking go, baby. Come on, if y'all feel like Costco, you know how hectic it could get. Oh wow, the gas prices actually went down. It's only $5 here right now. It used to be almost $7. So I'm guessing this tank will probably cost me about, it's definitely gonna be over $100. Surprisingly, gas wasn't as much as I thought. I was actually $5 over. So the tank was $95. But I swear, bro, every time I fill at Costco, I feel like the pumps are always bugging. Like I always have to hold it and it never like keeps the pressure on right. So I have to like, every time I let the trigger hold itself, it'll just pop out after like filling half a gallon. So it pisses me off because I got 20 gallons in this tank. And I feel like it's always Costco that's like that. Like I don't have that problem with any other place. It is what it is. We're heading over to get the part real quick. I ordered this yesterday and it actually came today, so it came pretty quick. But yeah, we're gonna get this part and hopefully get it installed today. That's the main goal. But if not, it's all good. Tomorrow's another day. Okay, we just picked up the part. Shout out to Lexus of Fremont. Bro, I'm not playing when I tell you guys. Look at this, $712 for this piece of glass right here. But I'm glad they had it because there's not too many of these available. So gotta get this fixed, bro. Gotta get that fixed. So we are on the way to get this glass replaced right now. Luckily, I found a spot just a couple miles away from the dealership, and they're willing to take care of it right now. So shout out to them. I think the dude's Vietnamese, but I always like to support, you know, the smaller businesses. Again, at the dealership, it was gonna cost like $250 per hour, and this dude's gonna hook it up for $135. So that's pretty good. Hopefully it doesn't take too long. And if he could tint this thing so it matches the rest and I don't look crazy, that'd be even better, but I'm not gonna get my hopes up. That's one of the things that I know I needed to fix on this car. So me just getting this done back to back, you know, right after picking it up, that's amazing. Okay, so that took about an hour to complete. It looks crazy right now. I don't know if y'all can see, but you can tell there's a difference between a non-tinted window and a tinted window. Look at that. Look at that. Night and day difference. So right now I'm heading over to just a random tint spot that I found just to get that window tinted so it looks even and I don't look crazy right now, because it feels so weird because light is coming in from that side and I don't like it, bro. I don't like it. I want this thing to be dark. So I'm gonna get it tinted real quick. I got quoted $50 to tint the window, so we're heading over there right now. Hopefully that doesn't take too long.
The next day.
All right, y'all, so it is the next day now, and as you guys probably recalled, I did get the Lexus tinted, but we ran into some issues. And man, I gotta catch you guys up on some weird slash horrible things that happened yesterday. As y'all probably recall, I got the car tinted, and man, I gotta say, bro, I am not happy with this tint. I was originally gonna wait, but I couldn't wait because without the window tinted, it looked crazy. All the light was coming from that window, so I was like, bro, I gotta get something in the meantime. So I got something, and bro, this tint is kind of weird. Like, they didn't use the same film that my homie used. So this window, the one that just got replaced, it has like a blue tint to it, and I'm not feeling it. It's just, it doesn't match the rest of it. So what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna head over to OJ Tint Studio, aka the Grandmaster at tint, and we're gonna get this right. We're gonna rip that film off and we're gonna put the correct film that he used on everything else so it matches. Bro, I was so disappointed when I saw that. I don't even know if y'all can tell, but that window right there is straight blue. So that's what we're gonna do today. It's just a real quick one. It's only one window, so it shouldn't take too long, but bro, I was so disappointed. Look how blue that is. Let me get you a comparison. You see that? One is blue and one is not. So shout out to the homie Omar for taking care of me. I really appreciate it. So yeah, we're gonna pull up to his place right now and we're gonna finally get this thing fixed for good. Let me give you guys an update on the shenanigans that we just witnessed, all right? Before we do that, I wanna give a huge shout out to OJ Tint Studio for fixing my tint. And while he was doing that, he uncovered the crazy madness that the people before him did to my car, which is insane. Like, as we were looking at it, we were like, bro, they really butchered this job. So what happened was we looked at the gasket. The way that you're supposed to take it off is a certain way, but they did it the shortcut way where they cut it and they just straight up hacked it. Like, they didn't even cut it nicely or anything. So they ruined that. On top of that, each panel has certain clips on there. So they broke clips, and what they did was they super glued pieces back, which is pretty annoying, right? Because if you're paying money for a service, you expect it to be a certain way, and obviously that is not the way that I had it, and that's not the professional way. So I did my thing, bro. Like, I never really leave reviews like that, but for this time, I had to do it, bro. So y'all did that to yourselves. They got my 1-star review and they got the pictures and all that stuff. So yeah, I learned my lesson on that. I'm only going to OJ Tint Studio and my boy YS Window Tinting. They both work together, so those are the people that I usually go to for my tints. But unfortunately, I wasn't able to, and look what happened. So anyways, I'm gonna end this video right here with one of my pickups that I got for the LS. Now I'm not planning to do anything super crazy, but in the meantime, we got these Junction Produce VIP neck pillows. I have these in my IS250, and if you guys are into cars, you're into the JDM VIP culture, you know that pretty much every VIP car has these, and I love that this actually matches the interior. I wanted this on my previous LS, but that was a beige interior, and I don't think they offered beige at that time. But these are black, so let's go ahead and just throw these in real quick. It's super simple, but I think it makes the biggest difference. If you're wondering how these work, you gotta raise your headrest, and then on the back, there's a strap. And with this strap, you just tighten it, and that's basically it. This will give you guys a little bit of neck support, and it just looks cool. So, hey, if you're trying to be hella VIP, you get these right here. All right, everyone, I just threw in the Junction Produce VIP neck pillows, and this is how it looks like. So if you guys are sitting in here, you get a little bit of neck support now. So let me show you guys. Let me show you guys how this would look exactly with my horrible tripod. That feels good. That reminds me of my IS250 from high school. So yep, just a quick little Junction Produce neck pillow setup. Nothing too crazy. And once again, I want to give a huge shout out to my boy OJ Tint Studio for freaking matching the tint. Guys, when I tell you it looked horrible before, trust me, it looked horrible before. But look, this window matches with that window, so it's all good now. But man, I was not expecting to hear that bad news, but hey, it is what it is. I cannot reverse that. I can't travel back in time, but I can tell you guys that other places will mess it up. So you just go to the homies. Their link will be down below in the description. We're probably gonna tint the windshield soon, and other than that, I don't have too many crazy plans for this car just yet. I'm not gonna lie, I really do want to mod this car really bad right now, but it's just not the time for it. You know, it's just, this is supposed to be the daily. I'm sure you guys already know how that goes. If you guys like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and I'll see you guys very soon for the next video. It's your boy Sneakerhead in the Bay. I'm out. Peace.